Is there a way to make your DJI Mini 3 Pro even lighter? Watch and find out. DJI's mini drones are great. They pack a real punch in terms of technology and video camera capability in very small and light packages. This keeps you under the 250-gram limits that in many countries enable you to fly in places where heavier drones are not allowed, and also enable you to fly without first obtaining your drone license. And you can still capture really impressive video and photos from these drones. I'm going to talk mainly about the Mini 3 Pro and the Mini 4 Pro. In order to keep the drones under the 250-gram limits, you will need to ensure you are flying each of these drones with the lighter intelligent flight battery, as the heavier extended range batteries do bring you over that magic 250 grams mark. Here's the interesting thing though. The Mini 4 Pro, without a battery in it, comes out to 172 grams. And the Mini 3 Pro, without a battery in it, comes out to 167 grams. So clearly the added technology in the newer Mini 4 Pro cost about 5 grams of weight. So how did DJI add weight and still keep the Mini 4 Pro under 250 grams? The battery. They made the intelligent flight battery for the Mini 4 Pro slightly lighter. Interestingly, despite this, it still holds a bit more juice. The Mini 4 Pro battery comes out to 2,590 milliamps, whereas the Mini 3 Pro battery is about 2,453 milliamps. Here's the intelligent battery of the Mini 3 Pro on the scale, and as you can see, it comes out to 80 grams approximately. It kind of went up and down each time I weighed it, but about 80 grams. Thus, with this battery in the drone, the total combined weight of the drone and battery comes out to 247 grams, a bit under that 250 grams mark. And here's the intelligent flight battery of a Mini 4 Pro on the scale, just a bit lighter than the other. It comes out at 76 or 77 grams. It seemed to fluctuate between those two numbers each time I tried it. I got 76 most of the time. And with the battery in the drone, the combined weight of both is 248 grams, so still under that 250 grams mark. But here's the thing. These batteries are interchangeable. So with the Mini 4 Pro battery, in the Mini 3 Pro drone, that comes out to right around 244 grams. Now sure, that's still really close to 250 and doesn't give you much wiggle room, but it does give you a little. If you absolutely must stay under that 250 gram mark, but need to add a heavier lens or ND filter or landing gear or foam landing pads or some other light accessory, this may be the ticket to staying under that 250 gram mark and still get the shots you need while staying legal. I hope you enjoyed the video, and for more useful content, you know what to do. Thanks for watching and happy flying. See you next time.